And akala ko, interesado ka to know that hanggang ngayon, all of this is just an act.
Pamilya namin against one of your doctors. Gusto kong tanggalin mo si Dr. Lyndon Javier.
I'm sorry. Kasi ikaw naman nasa daanan ka.
You know what they say, keep your friends close and your enemies closer.
Babawi ako sa'yo, Tata. Gusto ko ipakita sa'yo kung gaano ka talaga mahalaga sa akin.
Totoo, mahal. Ikaw lang talaga ang mahal ko.